that's cool. Well, 1 second. 1 second, everyone. Jay, that's a bit. That's so... Guys, I promise I'm normal. I've heard just everything about Glitch Mode. I've heard some of it from their Killing Boys. The next NCT DREAM music thing that I want to do is the trilogy of like the best friend. I love the love series, maybe? If you're new here, my name is Hunter. This channel is me journeying into K-pop. If you want to go on that journey with me, then stick around.
Welcome aboard.
What song is that? Hey baby, what you up to right now? Hi baby, just chilling and hanging around. What about you? What?
Culture, technology.
Scratch that, bring it back. 내 옆에서
Ooh. Wait. The way that they filmed that, looks so good. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. Look like they're in a video game. Ooh. Da, 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 da. I can't remember how much was done in the... Sorry, it's way too quiet. Gotta be honest, it's way too quiet. I can't remember how much was performed in the Killing Boys. I like the harmony there. Ooh. My heartbeat accelerates as we're accelerating the... It's okay. He was there and now he's gone. Bye, Jisung. What is happening? We're going on a date. Not him acting lovesick. Stop. Yeah. Hey, wait. I like that Mark is using part of the chorus as the now pre-chorus. It's cold. Also, his rap tone makes me wanna jump. So this is about us. Jenna. He's so cute, I'm sorry. Yes. Yes! He's so... Back and forth. Oh my god, no, not a back and forth. Not a... Guys, my screen is so big. My screen is so big, which means that Jisung's face is so large and just... there. Repetition. I love it. So the song is about us not being able, it's about us panicking in a new relationship, potentially. Like we're glitching out a little bit. We don't know what to say. The fucking back and forth. Why does that sound similar? They're in the background, there's like this. Is it in another song of theirs? Oh my god. I swear they have something so similar in another song of theirs. I swear it's an NCT song. I could be wrong. Honestly. with his blonde ass hair. The dance. The dance. Yeah. Oh my god! Is that fucking Marcus? No, the way he comes in is so fire. Oh, the footwork! Fuck you. Is that part of the song? Duh. Is this part of the fucking song? Wait, hold on. Wait, please tell me that this is part of the song. The fucking, the dirty ass guitar is so yummy and so necessary. Actually, he's yearning. If you couldn't tell he's yearning, he will get on his knees. Like, and then Jisung makes me want to commit. Hey, hey, hey! Oh, his charisma. Drop! Glitch mode. Guys, the switch up from that dirty ass guitar to this. Boom, 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 boom. Guys, he looks like a doll. I agree. Did we get ghosted? What happened? Why are we freezing? Wait, hold on. Why are we... I'm just now realizing that we have a transition here. We go from, oh, everything's good, and then it gets icy. We broke up. Did we freeze them out? Did they freeze us out? Next, we're doing a stage because I was requested. I have a request that I need to do this very specific stage. The thumbnail itself. Okay, well, never sing. What is that? Is that beginning part in the fucking song? This is so beautiful. It must be in the song. I just don't remember it. The sea of green. The instruments. No. Marcus Butler. Oh. Jeno, Hitchon, Tits. No. See, okay. I'm having so many thoughts right now. Arrangement of this. The arrangement of this. This part. And then they show.
Scratch that, bring it back.
Well, then there's the ripple, but the dum 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 dum. Those notes make it sound so sinister, and evil. Oh my god! I actually. I fucking hate him. What is he wearing? He is the Red Queen. The thing is that Mark can never look like that ever again. The fucking arrangement. No. Hold on. Everybody hold. Because Jino, and then I'm gonna lock in, so don't worry. You don't gotta worry about me. Okay, you can worry. You can worry about me. I'm next to each other. Oh my god, the fucking arrangement! The fucking arrangement! The fucking arrangement! What the fuck a Red Sea, Chono? Save me. What the fuck is happening? Oh my god, the arrangement! I wanna shake my desk, but I cannot. It's beautiful. How is it beautiful and darker at the same time? No. Don't zoom in. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. No, because no. No. Why are the fucking boxes on stage? No. So this is so this leads into that song. Is he good? No, okay. Oh no. Runjin wait. They're sinking into the. Wait a second. That doesn't lead to the one stage. This doesn't lead. This doesn't lead to the one stage because Haechan wasn't in a. Haechan was in a box, wasn't he? But Mark wasn't in a box. It was Chunla, Ranjin, and Haechan, I think. Okay, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!